As usual, I think you people are used to this tone of telling recording in progress. So as all this is mandatory for the AECT, that we need to upload all the sessions and session links and all are to be done. So that's the reason why I'm compelled to go with recording. Let's see the gallery. Sharing it. NDP sir is expected by then.
ಅಕ್ಕ ಹೆಸರು ಓಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅಕ್ಕ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊಡೆದೋಗಿದೆ ಅಕ್ಕ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ
Sir, no audio.
Yeah, that's what I was just working on the link. So may I now yeah. Okay. Yes, sir. Please don't type anything. Participants are requested not to type anything there because the link keeps moving up. So the people who are just about to click on the link will miss the chance. So may I request the participants to complete that formality?
Sir, is the link already there?
Yeah, madam, I just posted the link. I just can scroll up.
We haven't got.
We haven't received it, sir. Can't
Okay,
see.
okay. Probably. Okay, I will redo that. Okay, that's only gone. Okay, fine.
Sir, please repost, sir. We can't see any link.
Sure, madam. And kindly don't type anything now. Yeah, I think now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
please
we
don't
can.
type
We
anything,
can.
madam, because that will, it has come. Link chat ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು ಇನ್ನು ಶುರು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ
Sir, any time limit?
I don't think you need any long time, madam.
Hello?
Madam.
Yes,
Please,
sir?
madam.
No, sir, I can't hear you.
One. I've unmuted, madam.
Okay, sir. No, I just want to know this is a feedback now, sir.
Yeah, this is the feedback.
Okay.
Madam, question papers will come shortly because by then we'll take the photo session. I thought instead of just killing time like this, so I thought, okay, let me just engage you people with the feedback. So after this feedback, we will just have madam. It's not audible, madam, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Madam, please. Yeah, madam.
Sir, can you please share it once again? I got disconnected, sir.
Okay,
I
madam.
couldn't get access to the chat.
Yeah, please, madam.
Thank you so much. For the AICT feedback, what would be the procedure for that? Will there be a link shared for that as well?
Yeah, madam. I will reiterate the thing afterwards also. After this, when you are supposed to go back to your login in the AICT portal and click on this workshop, you'll be having the workshop icon as active as earlier to attending a program. So there you having a link that will be enabled, calling it as feedback of FTP. You're supposed to click on the hyperlink and that takes you to the feedback format.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So then only you'll be getting a certificate. So that is very, very much important, madam. Anyhow, I'll just tell on this later on also.
Okay.
All are available and ready. I think we will, I think we have close to 113. So then this is the time where we can always think of going with the photo session. My HOD sir also is present. Link click.
Sir, feedback we have given.
Sir.
Next, we'll be giving the question paper, sir.
Sir, may I know who is this, sir?
I am Dr. Arun Kumar, sir.
Yes, sir. We have come to that part only, sir. We will be definitely, you will not be allowed to go out, nor I will not be going out without completing that formality. But before that, we'll go with the photo session, sir, as planned.
Okay.
ಆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಚಾಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. Okay, it is good to find all the participants with their cameras turned on. So we'll be going with some 1 or 2 times the click of the print screen will be taken so that, yeah. May I request Dr. K.T. Ramesh, Nitin Jain, Dr. Arun Kumar, Mistress Manisha Madam, and Dr. Arun Kumar, Dr. M. Shilpa, Shukumar, Dr. Meenakshi, Dr. Amrita. Kindly turn on your cameras. Please turn on your cameras.
Sir, all of us or only the names you mentioned?
No, they are not on the camera, sir. I just could randomly read out some names, not necessarily in an order. So whosoever name I could cite, I've just named them. Please come on camera and live. This is so beautiful, the screen. I'll just take a snap of it. 1 minute, sir. Copy it. One more minute, sir. This. Okay, some haven't turned on the camera. No issue. Oh, okay, sir. Thank you all for the
Thank you.
post given. So I very thankful to everybody for coming on camera and then helping me out to take the snap of yours. Yeah. Now I think you can turn off the camera. If required, you can always stay connected over camera. So now this is the time where I can always conclude. So before which I now request my HOD sir to just address you people, being the representative of our department. So I hope that he certainly will be talking to you and he will be addressing you guys.
Good afternoon, everybody. So, at the outset, let me congratulate Professor Dr. M. Rajesh for having conducted this program effectively. Hope you all enjoyed the program. You are enlightened with the messages which are being sent by the speakers. So, this program was organized by the Department of Industrial Engineering, Rama Institute of Technology, sponsored by the AICT under the Atal scheme. I thank the participants for having participated actively in the deliberations of the program. So, wish to see you more in future, attending more programs. Thank you, one and all. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And then no. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, participants, I would like to give the sum up of the program that we had today. So for a minute or two, I'll just brief on what exactly we did and how we actually progressed, and we have come to the stage of learning. So it all started on the 13th of September at around 9 o'clock with the inauguration program, which was done by Dr. Manu Ora, who happens to be the expert in leadership skills, training people in leadership skills. He happened to join us from the US, and he did the inauguration program along with my HOD sir and COE sir, taking part in that inauguration program. Followed by that session, we had a very good expert who had actually done the research in the leadership area. So managing the talent. So Dr. Kiran Magavi made a detailed description of the program. And then we had Ravi, the administrator, coming and giving his sharing his experience.
अरे फिर वो मेरा फोटो नहीं आएगा ना तो इससे करो ना.
Okay, I'm sorry. So we had Praveen sir talking about how to build a leadership skill. And the next day, it all started with Badresh sir talking on creative, inclusive workforce. So from the industry perspective, So how important is leadership and what all are to be done in leadership qualities, or maybe that has to be imbibed into the leadership as a leader was all being discussed. And then we have Dr. Vijay Lawrence telling on how to resolve the conflicts as a leader, because we certainly will be coming across conflicts, and he briefed us about how to resolve the conflicts. And later we went on learning on what is called as group discussion, and how the group discussion benefit and help in order to resolve all those issues, and how to go with brainstorming exercise and come out with new ideas. And following that, we had one more expert talking from overseas, Dr. Krishna Savani. He just had enormous experience and knowledge in the area of behavioral attributes of leadership. And then we had the challenges of national education policy, that again is little emerging, and certainly we all should fall in line. One of the other day being the teachers, so we all should fall in line. That was the need of the hour. So he was invited to deliver the leadership plan, the national education policy. And after which we had a session on health and happiness. This was quite little unique and different. Why? Because it's like we all are stressed both physically and mentally. So we had to get around, and then we need to come out of it, or maybe we need to just overcome those hurdles, the mental and the physical hurdles. So for which we happened to arrange an exclusive session which dealt with the health and happiness. And the next day we started off with learning on I think that was more enjoyable sessions, I guess, from Dr. Ramani Venkat. So who actually went on with lot of illustrations, lot of real-time examples involving all the participants here to teach us on what is called as influencing with and without authority. And followed by that, we had biggest issue of leadership that was being addressed by Dr. Sarika Madam. She spoke about key leadership challenges, the challenges of a leader. And ultimately, we went on understanding how to mold entrepreneur by Dr. S. Debnath. And today, in this morning, Dr. Ramani Venkat continued his session with nurturing talent, and employee retention, again, in his own way of handling the sessions. And just before this, we had the leadership growth plan. So how we need to plan for the future, and how we need to climb up the ladder of the career also. So now we have come to a final valedictory, or maybe the conclusory session of this 5-day faculty development program. I'm really honored to have all the dignitaries, the guests, and more importantly, all my participants here. And obviously, I know that you people are eagerly waiting for the test to be taken, but I would like to request few of the participants who would like to share the experiences. But before which, I would like to put a word, because I don't know the background of most of the faculty, participants here, but I happen to just interact with few of them. I could see that some of them, I just saw one of the madam is actually attending this FTP, though she's on vacation in Taj, Mumbai. And I have one more person. I think I should say he is the senior most participant here. I think he happens to be a surgeon. So still there is no, I should not say that there is no connectivity between the surgeon and the engineering or the leadership, but leadership qualities are required by all of us. So that is why. So I really honestly thank people like you all for making this grand program. That's what we will see the feedback from your end, and any sort of flaws that we have, we can always work on it, and then we can always improvise on it. So from the department, from the Department of IEM and MSRAT, I definitely promise that all the flaws that would be highlighted will be addressed in our coming programs. So with this, the forum is now open to all my participants so that they can always share their views, experiences. And I know that because of this technology, we would have come across a little bit of hiccups here and there. Okay, but we do understand there's a lot of things that are to be either learned, or maybe that is to be practiced. So I now request a few participants, one or two, before we just actually go with the need of the hour, the test. I request one or two to just make a small feedback or give their opinion about this program.
Hello, sir. Good evening. So I am Sarjana from Chennai. So I work as an assistant professor, and I think I'm probably the youngest of everyone here in this week, because I've just become an assistant professor. I'm 24 years old, and this is my first FDP program, and I was like so thrilled to learn a lot. And so one big twist was I'm doing my B.Ed in special education. So my like area of interest is special education. So I did not expect that the speakers would also touch areas of disabilities. So that was a very big shock for me, and I was so thrilled. And it was a very nice session, like well planned. And I never expected that you would share all the PPTs and all the presentations in the WhatsApp group. From like day one, I've been seeing how you guys like kept us posted about all the sessions, and what are the things we had to keep ready for each session. So I like the way you all planned it. And my first FTP was did not go in vain, and I had a very good experience. I saw a lot of great speakers here, and I think like I've gained a lot of information and knowledge of things which I am totally unaware of. So thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity, and I'm so happy about it. Thank you. Worth the time.
Oh, our pleasure to have feedback like that, madam. Anyhow, yeah, we will certainly will be posting some more programs that we host. Not only this one, so I think you can always enroll into those and again be a participant into such programs that we do, madam. Yeah, anybody else?
Thank you so much.
Anybody else? May I request Mohan sir to just throw some light, because I've seen him being very active and involved, and then talking in almost all the sessions. He was really interacting with all the speakers that we had invited. So may I request Mohan sir?
Yeah, Dr. Rajesh, you are excellent. You are organized a great. First applause goes to you from all the participants. Then because from the day one I am seeing the brochure, from brochure you take a lot of initiative to come as well, and I appreciate that one, and very good. All you made it everything fantastic, and all speakers, especially I like Ramani's Ramani Venkat is the hero of the entire FDP. Anyhow, all professors done their job. Anyhow, it's highlighted in this manner. Thank you very much. It's a great opportunity for me to attend this FDP. Yes, thank you very much once again, Dr. Rajesh.
Oh, fantastic, sir. Fantastic to learn about that. Hopefully, as said earlier, like you two would be a part of our future programs. So it is not, I think I just take a minute of yours. It is not just one man's efforts, because it is the teamwork that we always work in teams. I should really congratulate and thank the entire team, my colleagues, my HOD sir, my COE sir, my principal. It goes on. And not to forget the AICTE, the Atul, for considering the proposal and then giving me an opportunity to do that. And I think few changes we happen to do, because earlier when I was a participant, we used to go, and then every time we had to do the logging in, every time I had to sign in the Google form, and so many things. It was, at times it was irritating also. So that's the thing that I was just working on. And then I just requested my coordinator, Professor Sudhir Kulkarni. He said that, okay, we will do something like this so that we can always eliminate the unnecessary entry of data a couple of times. I was really skeptical till the last minute when most of my participants were asking, where is the link and how do we get the attendance and all. But still he kept me going, and then he said that I'm going to take care, I'm going to engage handle the attendance issue of all our participants, so that's not to be worried and all. It has really come out so well that we don't need to really worry on taking the every session's details. And obviously it might be irritating every time you key in and then go to the email IDs, ask for the what I call the code, the program ID code every time is so bugging. So that is what I think is the thing that I really learned, and so many things that we had to experiment. Just before the session also we had a technical glitch, okay, because of this link. I was too tensed, and then I think it was a collective support by all my colleagues. I think colleagues in my next door, I think they have really bared me because whenever I was doing all these things, I was frequently interacting with them and then asking their help. And then because whenever that is going to the public, so I should always double check that there are no flaws in it. So if there are any flaws, then it becomes an insult not only to me nor to the department, certainly becomes an image to the institution. So I should be working for that. So that's where I think, including the speakers and also the participants, most of them have complimented the work that has been done by the department. So it is not an individual credit. I should thank everybody, one and all, from the principal, COE sir, to the HOD, and all my near and dear colleagues, teaching and non-teaching. So that is where I think we all work together, and then we have accomplished something of this grand success, I guess. So any more from the participants? Yeah,
Rajesh sir.
Madam.
Sir, seeing the smoothness and the flawlessness of the event, there is a query that I have. I just want to ask, how much time did you devote in preparing for it? That is what I want to ask.
No, it really burns the midnight oil, certainly.
Yes.
I was planning for this from last 2 months, frankly speaking. I think you would have seen the group that was created, and then the brochure went on. It went on with 2 or 3 revisions, and I had to go with the slides. And obviously, I got an equal response from all my speakers. So without their support, certainly I wouldn't have done their presentation, PPTs that I had to work on, or maybe their slides and the pictures and the certificates and so many things. And back end also, maybe I think while communicating with you people as well, I've written about I've what I call made several mails, okay, and I just wanted to keep it very active and lively, and also the background. I think that was quite impressive, and most of them have really complimented for the background and the music, including my colleagues. So they were really
that was very nice, sir. I have not seen it in any other FDPs yet, so it was really nice and commendable job.
Yes, truly, madam, truly. And as said earlier, I took the inputs from people abroad as well, because our speakers, they were just telling, like, we need to keep our participants engaged. We understand, because listening to the lectures for 6 whole hours, I think it's so bugging. We can't, I think we would be the teachers, by the way, but still it's so difficult at an age that we can always sit 6 whole hours and listen to the lectures. So now, so that's the reason why I had to have stop, breathers in between, so that you don't get bugged or just seeing the monotonous of a screen, or maybe just having a what I call a display or something like that, or just keeping it off. And also I happen to invite most of the participants who are new to that forum, the Zoom forum. It was, I think, just last week we happened to zero down Zoom, and then we decided, okay, we'll go with the link and all. So then I had to create a dummy link and then invite the people who are new to it. That day also, I think we had a lot of participants coming in and joining the link. Till the beginning, maybe I think I was a little relieved only on the very first day. After the inauguration program, I said, okay, things will flow on easily and fine as expected. So I think that's how we have come to this stage, madam. I think it was Swati, madam, if I'm not wrong.
Yes,
and
sir.
I think I'll be enabling the WhatsApp link. Maybe I think you can always post all your abstracts that was created in the sessions, or you have anything that you can always, because if I just keep this open every time, there'll be 1 or 2 messages and good morning, good night, and also, which certainly irritates anybody. So that's the reason why I had to block all those things and kept only the administrator rights for posting the messages, which are relevant and very important, were only being posted there, madam.
Thank you so much for the inputs.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. My pleasure. So anybody else, maybe a last person, then we'll go.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. So
madam.
I'm Prabha from NIT Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, madam.
Sir, I would firstly like to congratulate you and your team for organizing such a wonderful FDP, sir. And the excellent thing is, initially when you have posted in the WhatsApp group the reminder of when is this going to start with the background music. That was really, I have attended, this is the second WebTP, but I have never seen such. So that was really good. And your voice, it makes us very much alert. That's an excellent voice you have got.
Compliment.
Yes, sir, that's yes, and all the resource person, they were really informative, and this helped us a lot. Thank you. That's it from me.
Oh, so kind of you, madam. Thanks for all those words. Maybe I am a teacher, so certainly I also should be modulating my voice and I would be addressing the gathering here. That's really good to note, madam. Okay, so you need any time for revising the topics, madam? The participants?
So will the link be shared in the WhatsApp group or
No,
email?
madam, because I'll tell you frankly, because we have exactly 182 participants who had registered for this program. Maybe in the WhatsApp around, we have around 153 or so. Around 30 of them have gone missing. They didn't actually report to the WhatsApp. It means that they didn't actually come. And I think the peak participant load was around 130, if I'm not wrong. So another 20 or so would have definitely, because of the other preoccupied work, so they would have given a miss. So I'm not saying that they were not interested, but because when they registered, things were different, and now it is too different. So that is why I think they would have given a miss. And some of them actually were missing the sessions or so. So that is why if I post it in the WhatsApp group, I think it will be different, because they also might try to attempt, and okay, so it becomes it gives a different meaning altogether. So that is why I put it in the chat box. Kindly don't enter anything. Click on that link. It will open, madam. It'll be just there, and please don't say put any sort of okay messages or so in the chat room. Now the question is open, or the link is open. Just click on the link. I put it in the chat box. One minute.
Time bound?
Yeah, madam. Just 1 minute. I'll just make it to everybody.
Also, it is MCQ
Yeah,
or
yeah.
descriptive?
It's MCQ, madam. The question paper is out, madam.
Yeah,
Question paper is
Thank
out.
Is it time bound and has
Yeah,
to be
madam.
completed?
I think another 45 minutes. By 4 o'clock, we expect you to complete, madam. By 4 o'clock.
Okay.
So we can quit from this meet, right?
Sure, madam. Sure.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, if you could just let us know once again that icon you're asking to log into from AICT. Otherwise,
Yeah. I will mention that. So kindly don't type thank you, time and all, sir, here, because the link is scrolling up. Please, all my participants will cooperate with me, I guess, because the link is sliding up in the chat box.
Rajesh, what happened?
Sir, thank you, sir. Bandit Kushi Aita, sir. We have just started off with the test, sir. I've just taken the snap, sir.
Hello.
I just took the snap of you and all the participants, sir.
Hello. नहीं
Sir, all of them are answering using that link that is posted in the chat box, sir. Yes, please, sir.
Sir, shall I leave, Rajesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, can we leave this FDP and we can continue with the paper?
Yeah, madam. Yeah, no issues. Any requirement, I'll tell you, madam. As of now, it's not required now. ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌದು.
Wait, Rajesh.
Sir, coming. Sir, I sent it. ಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ದೂರ ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
क्या anybody there. Wondering. Huh? Yeah, yeah. Jesus. Something wrong with it. I can't hear nor can I see anything. It says safe driving mode. What does it mean? I'm still.
झाले ना 4 दिवस झाले आता.
Can we leave after submitting the test and feedback?
Sir, you can leave, sir. You can leave after completing, you can leave.
Rajesh sir. Rajesh sir, can you hear me?
Okay, Rajesh sir, not here, madam. Tell me any problem?
All right. No, I'm only saying that I have submitted everything, the feedback on the AICT portal as well as the test. So that is all to be done, right?
Yeah, anything else will be uploaded in the WhatsApp group, madam. I just suggest, because after this one, you're supposed to go with the feedback, madam. You need to give
I've done the I have posted the feedback also. Sir.
Not this one, madam. There is one more in the Atal.
I did it on Atal as well.
Oh, that's good. Really good to note, madam. So
Yeah.
I request all other participants to do the same thing. You got to go to the Atal portal and do the feedback of this program.
I did.
Yeah, that we did, sir, but attendance and all is not showing in that this one.
Madam, we have just taken the stock of the situation and we have just marked you all, I mean, those who are regular as present. But that will be done, I think, a day or two from now, madam.
All
Because
right.
a lot of
Fine.
other formalities. will be done.
Fine, fine. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, sir.
Madam. One request
Excuse
here
me,
is, madam, 1 minute. One request here with all the participants is kindly see, once it is all done from our end, they are going to release the certificates. Lot of other formalities are to be done. Kindly wait for at least 1 week time, madam. After that, you'll be getting a certificate over mail. You'll be getting whatever the registered mail is there. No, over that you're going to get the certificates, madam. Till then, the WhatsApp group will be alive, and we can always discuss anything that you have. I think you have. Most of you people have personally made me mails also, or WhatsApp me also. So it will be active, and you can always contact me for any such concerns, madam. I'll be certainly working for a speedy dispatch of your certificates.
Okay, it will be
yes, sir.
dispatched.
Madam?
You are sending the hard copy. I thought we will get
No
the
way, madam. No, not the hard copy ones. We'll be, I mean, I'll be completing the formalities from my end, and you will be getting the certificates in the mail. It won't be a hard copy. It would be a soft copy, which I think you can take a printout of the same, madam.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Where exactly is this Atal portal where we have to go and, like...
Madam, okay, I'll tell you. You just go to the Google and say Atal FTP. On clicking that, you get a list of, links. Click on the very first ones, Atal FTP. Under that, you need to log in. You just go to use your credentials. Use your credentials for logging in.
Okay.
And click on the workshop that you attended. That is on nurturing today's learners to become tomorrow's leaders.
Leaders. Okay.
Click on that. Under that, you'll be having the hyperlink. Under that, you'll be having a hyperlink. Click on the feedback, madam. You'll get it.
Okay.
Maybe in case if I'm able to do that here, I can show that also. I can share.
Yes, sir. So if there is any doubts regarding that, like,
so let me
I'll be...
that, madam. Yeah, 1 minute. I'll just explore. In case if it is possible, I'll share that on the screen.
Yes, sure. Sure. Thank you.
Sir, is there any link for feedback?
Hi, madam. You go to Atal. See here, I think I'm showing it here. 1 minute. I'll share the screen, madam. The benefit of all the people here. Share the screen. Yeah. Is that screen visible, madam, to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I did was I just went to Google. Google.com and type Atal FTP, and you're going to get the links like this. You're going to get the links like this. Just click on that. Click on the very first one. You get the screen. This is the normal screen that you'll find. You click on this login, madam. This login, that one in the blue color. So just go to click on the login, and you need to put the credentials of yours.
Yes, sir.
Your mail ID and password.
Okay, sir.
So can
we
leave now, sir? After doing paper?
You will be getting the link for clicking for entering your portal, madam.
Yes, sir. So after completing paper, can we leave now?
Yeah, madam. Yeah, that's it. Any requirement, I'll post it on the WhatsApp, madam.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Oh, I think I forgot as a participant.
So we'll get the scores later, right?
Yeah, madam.
Okay.
Sir, I'll go to workshop then.
Wait, madam, I'll open mine and I can always direct you to that. Do you find any sort of a link on feedback? Just click on the program. Can you find my program there, madam? This FTP.
Okay, I'll go in. Okay, I have opened my own.
Because I'm not a registrant to this, so I'll not be getting that option.
No, I have login and then after my this thing mail ID and all, I entered inside my name. So
What you
there
can,
also workshop is written.
you're not able to find it. What you can do is I'm going to enable the share option. If you don't mind,
Sir.
if you can share that, I can always help you out in that, madam. Yeah, you can share your screen, madam. Now you just click on that green button. It says new share. I will stop my shares. Yeah, you can share it, madam. I will explain how it is to be done.
Sir, Rajesh sir, Vishwas here. I finished my test and Atal feedback. Shall I exit now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it. That's it. Any updates, I can always post it in the WhatsApp, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you and good day, sir. Thank you and good day to all the participants here.
Sir, on
Madam?
Sir, on Atal portal, feedback is open.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. They most of them have done it.
Participants click here for portal guide, right? Yes.
Sir, how much time is left out, sir? Rajesh sir?
Sir, actually, time is over. It's still 4 o'clock, sir. It's 4:02 now. Maybe I can extend by another 10-15 minutes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
First, submit the answer, sir. For the feedback, you can take your time. Madam, somebody was looking for logging into that portal and.
So I got it. I got it. Sir.
Okay, madam. Okay, fine.
Yeah. So can I have the test link, sir? Due to some network issue, I couldn't log in time. That's
Oh, madam, it's late. Who is this, madam?
Soumya, sir.
Yeah, madam, you're a little late, no, madam. Anyhow, I think it was actually time up. I just sent it now. Just verify that. Okay. Just redo that. Soumya. Okay. Madam.
Yes, sir.
I think you got the link, I think, madam.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you.
किसको बेटा ये वो वायर होती है वायर लगा दो
Rajesh sir,
Sir, madam.
in Atal portal, it is only feedback we have to fill up, right?
Sure, madam. That's it, madam.
Okay, thank you.
Madam, you have conducted so many FTPs.
No, earlier we were taking up tests also in that. That's why I asked.
No, yeah, sure, madam.
I'm done. I've filled the
Beautiful.
feedback.
Yeah, good day, madam. Good day. Bye, madam.
So I finished the feedback.
You can, madam. You can. No more information from my side.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Good day,
much.
madam. Good day, madam. Bye, madam. I think today I'll enable the WhatsApp. Maybe participants here can post their opinion, because I think we hardly got some time for going with the elaborate feedback or so. You can always feel free to share that. I'm going to enable that. And the abstract, I think one of the participants was telling and suggesting me to just enable that and make all the other participants to post the images that they have taken. So I think after this, you can always go with it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, madam.
Yeah, I have submitted my answers and also submitted feedback form. Do I have to submit another one?
Madam, did you submit 2 feedback forms, madam?
No, just one.
Hello?
just one which was shared in the
No,
platform.
madam, one feedback was from my side about the facilities and things.
Then I have already submitted in this program.
Okay, that is the Google form. One more in the AACT portal you need to do, madam. You just got to go back to the AACT website, and there you will find this workshop details. Click on the feedback, madam.
Please repeat it.
Madam, you go to AACT portal. Go to Google and say AACT FDP. You will get a lot of links. Click on the very first one. It will take you to the home page of AACT, madam. Click on login with your login details. You have your own login details, no, as participant. And you can find this program as workshops, whatever the workshops you have attended, no?
Yes.
That will come there, madam, the workshops. Then you need to give the feedback there. There is a feedback option. Click on the feedback, it will come.
Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Sir,
madam.
I'll go to my this thing, no, login.
Yeah.
From login, I'll enter my details.
Yes, madam. After logging in, you'll get a screen like this. It says participant details in the workshop and all. You can do it in mobile also, madam.
It is coming participants. Click here for portal guide.
No, I'll show you on camera. If you can see that. You have the feedback option there, madam. Just click on that, it will automatically take you there.
Sir, where I'm not getting actually.
Madam, you share your screen. Is it Shashi, madam?
Yes, sir.
You share your screen, madam. You don't need to show the password. You just share the screen. I will help you out. Come to share screen.
Yes, sir.
Wait. I'll make you as co-host then, Shashi, madam. I'll make you. Yeah, now I think you can do, madam. Now you can share, madam.
Yes, sir. I'm doing actually on my laptop and connected on mobile also. Connectivity.
On the laptop is easy to share. You can share on laptop.
Sir, when we got the status of the attendance and the marks of the quiz?
Madam, I know that for 5 days, I think you have rigorously attended the program.
Okay.
Maybe we will have some sleep tonight. Madam.
And the certificates? How many, after how many days?
Madam, the certificates will take its own time. It is not only from my end, madam. The coordinator there at the AACT also should approve your certificates. So then only it will come. Wait for minimum 2 weeks, madam. Definitely for within 1 week, I'll see through that everything is streamlined. But before we respond and we ask them to complete the pending work, so it will definitely take at least worst case 2 weeks, madam.
Sir, I have submitted both feedback and the quiz. Can I share?
Yeah, fine, madam. That's the requirement from our end.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Because I have to go in another meeting in my office. So I have to leave.
Yeah,
sir.
I know that all are equally occupied and busy. Thanks for coming, madam. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much for organizing and controlling the whole FDP in a very good manner. Really, it's appreciable. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you and good day, madam. Thank you. Thanks for the compliments.
Sir, Rajesh sir, Vijay here, MBA department.
Sir, Vijay sir, tell me, sir.
So the program was fantastic.
Oh, excellent, sir. Excellent.
Very professionally managed. Very professional.
My God, I've done
very smoothly sailing and fantastic. The speakers were really excellent.
Oh, good, sir. Good.
A lot of knowledge, but the thing is, we had a lot of other folks also. So here and there, I missed out on the questions.
Yeah, all my colleagues and people here also will definitely agree because they have their own priorities and lot of other work pressures will be there. In that they have made an attempt to attend this program means I think I should be really grateful to all the participants. I think you should have shared your opinion because from an insider also, I think we know the difficulties, we know the challenges that everybody facing, whether it is inside or outside the campus. So I think you could have thrown some light on the feedback. That was a good experience. In fact, having most of I think people from management stream and medicine, and we have teachers, we have professors, we have entrepreneurs, we do have a lot of good administrators here. So it was a mix of all. More than engineering, I thought it was some management FDP, sir, because you are a core management of a person. So I think you should be in a position to gauge how well we could actually go on with this program.
Very good, sir. Very nice. So I will call Rajesh. I will give 3 R's to you: robust, reliable, and resilient. Rajesh stands for. Wonderfully done, sir. Nijwaglu sumne idu martilla. I felt very happy. The entire 5 days. Okay, it went on so well, and the planning, execution, speakers, and giving welcome, everything A to Z, to taking questions. Yellow, there was no glitch, even small one. Yellow, you could not trace even like this is a problem, that is a problem. Fantastically managed. Even I felt I should talk to you to get some input so that how you do. The brochure particularly was very attractive, very convincing, very nice. Okay, sir. Thank you very much for such a wonderful program.
I think, yeah, that's what it is. Not one individual's effort, sir. I think it should be told as a team effort. I should really compliment and thank all my colleagues who have actually directly and indirectly helped me out in doing this. And certainly from the higher authorities, because we belong to the same family. So you know how actually things should flow and how we are supposed to execute, and any flaws, I think it definitely reflects our institution's image. So keeping that. So first step that I just thought was we should not put down our institution no matter what. So that actually inspired me, sir. So that's the only trick behind that. Rest all, I think it automatically, anybody doing it also will be doing the same way. I just wanted to do little, not very much different, but little different, so that I think it is recognized and it is, I think it paid off. So that's how I can say, sir. And you can anytime drop down, we can always share. I can share my resources, and we can always do much better way than what has been done now, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have submitted, sir. Thank you.
Shashi madam.
Yes, sir, I have submitted.
Oh,
Sir,
so nice.
how to do that AICT one? I'll go to that site.
Is it Shashi madam?
Hanji. Yes, sir.
Madam, you go to the login, you just key in your particulars, your name.
Sir,
and
done.
done.
Feedback done, sir.
Okay, you click on that options where you can find the feedback, madam. Feedback option is there, no? Pop down. There's a pop down screen. There's one feedback.
Feedback I have done, sir. AICT one, how will I do that?
Yes. Did you take up the test, madam? Shashi madam?
Hanji, sir, done.
Did you take one more feedback I sent in Google Forms, madam, before the test?
Sir, done.
Oh, 2 feedbacks and 1 test is over, no, madam.
Okay.
So
Sir, something on AICT also we are supposed
to. No, that one only. You just have done, you just now told that I went to AICT portal and then did the feedback there.
Okay, done through login and then the
Yes. Through login. Through login, if you have done, the responsibility lies on me now. I need to arrange for your certificate, madam. All your work is over. I know that most of the participants here were very regular. So for them, I think attendance will not be a problem. You are very regular. The marks also will not be a problem. I think you need to secure at least a minimum of 18 marks. So I think all the participants who have secured the minimum required will definitely not have any issues. If others, because all these things are recorded and uploaded.
Right.
So,
sir,
yeah.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
My pleasure.
All my queries were well patiently handled.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Congratulations, Dr. Sabarna was here.
Oh, sir. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me, sir. Tell me, please.
and all the kudos to you and your team.
Oh, fantastic, sir.
Hello.
Sir, it's all the support of my participants. So they were very cooperative, and whatever that was circulated, I think they really actively got involved and then they did it. I think rest all, I should really mutually, congratulate one another.
And I have some doubts, sir. Actually, I log into the Adal.
Yes, sir.
I have also submitted the feedback.
Okay, good, sir. Good. See, that is what is the requirement. We should actually do with the feedback. Without the feedback, you will not get the certificate, sir. Anyhow, I'll just...
But I have doubts, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where from I will get the test?
Who is this, sir?
Dr. Sabir Nawaz.
Sir, you didn't take up the test now.
No, I submitted the feedback.
No, not the feedback. The test, there are 30 questions, sir.
Where exactly? Where is the link?
It is there in the chat box, no, sir?
Actually, I didn't get that.
No, it is there, posted to everybody. Now I have posted it to you, sir. Be quick, sir. I think we have gone beyond the timings. So just click on the link and you will get that access to the Google form.
So can I have your college feedback link, sir?
One feedback. 1 minute, madam. Sharing. One minute, madam. Searching them.
At the same time, I have to give the feedback, sir, orally feedback. Really
yeah.
a wonderful session. And at the same time, obviously, I'm very happy to share that recently, 15 days back, I took a charge of HOD.
Oh, congratulations from my side,
This
madam.
particular event. So especially this FDP nurture my skills a lot. And
Oh,
they
so kind, so kind.
enhanced,
Really good.
my knowledge and patience too, and how to handle the situation and all.
I think you were the right participant then, madam. I should say that.
Yesterday, I posed few questions on IP. My research topic is IP, intellectual property rights.
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why, sir. And Venkatramani sir session, yesterday session, really it is very nice.
Oh, so good, madam. So good. That's what. Maybe
It
we will
enhanced
be.
my confidence, sir. One thing sure. This particular FDP enhanced my confidence.
Oh, so kind of you, madam. So kind of you.
Thank you,
Again,
sir.
yeah, I will post that link, madam. It asked me for that link.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. College link.
Yeah.
Copy
You just verify now, madam. I'll send the link now personally to your chat room.
Yeah. I got it, sir.
You click on that and just verify, madam.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wait for a minute. Yes, sir. I got it. It's your college Zoom. And this is the first time I'm attending AICT FDP, sir.
Madam. So once you attend, I think you become a routine participant, madam, because even me too, we happen to just, start off initially as a participant. And then I happened to apply for the funding. And later I became one of the coordinator. So it's like that, madam. So that's what, once you get established, I think it continues, it goes on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're from
Because
which college, madam? Soumya, madam?
Events from MS Ramaya college events, webinars and all. So I thought that, okay, this would be also. And one thing sure, MSIRT has upheld its standards.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
The
And
epitome of standards.
truly, madam, truly, it has its own benchmark. So we need to, we should not, let it down. So that's how I think we all, I think, collectively work for and we are ranked, I think, #1 in Karnataka this year too, NIRF ranking, madam, and 65th rank all India, madam, NIRF. You're from which college, madam? Soumya, madam?
I'm from Sheshadripuram College, sir, Kengeri.
Okay, okay, yeah. I mean, occasionally, whenever I used to get time, so I used to just call through. So I could notice some of the participants, local participants, other than engineering, also were there. So I
Yes, sir.
happened to, I
Because
remember.
it's a multidisciplinary approach, right? Leadership, nurturing leadership and all.
Truly. Yeah,
So
yeah, definitely.
it would be helpful. Obviously, 15 days back, or I think 1 month back, I have registered for the FDP.
Yes.
But 15 days back, I received that I'm a HOD for the department. I
Oh,
wasn't dilemma whether I can. So these sessions really help me out a lot, sir.
Maybe now you can start implementing them, I guess, madam, as a leader. So
Yes,
I think, yeah, that's how I think we can progress.
Yes,
That's
sir.
really good. You're for the PU college or the degree college, madam?
College, sir.
Main college, madam?
No, not main college. I am
You
for
have-
Kengeri branch. In Kengeri also we have branch.
Okay, fine.
It's like for degree college, commerce and management.
Oh, good, madam. Good, madam.
Okay, sir, I have submitted both the feedbacks and I have also taken the test. I have done with the test, sir. Hope I can leave now.
Okay, dear participants who are still working on and in the forum, we take leave and we wish you all good luck. And anything that I get as an update from the Atal or the AECT officials, I'm going to upload it in the WhatsApp link that is there. You still, I mean, you be available in the WhatsApp till you get the certificate so that I can handle the cases in case anything that is there. I think you all know that the requirement is a minimum of 80% attendance and 60% test score is compulsory, and along with the feedback that you had to give. So if that is all available and it is eligible, I think you'll be getting the certificates very shortly. So shall I wind up the meeting?
So with this, I thank you all and have a good day.
Thank you, Amar, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Deepak, sir.
Yeah.